Ugh, I can't sleep. I'll just do something around here. Well, let's go annoy my neighbors again. Okay, make my bed. Wash my face, brush my teeth, eat tacos, leftover pizza, maybe some ice cream, and hot dishes. Okay. Okay. Lovely art and scenery. Okay, so I know I probably should go down the elevator again and try it, but I'm gonna go downstairs first. Let's go downstairs first. See if that does anything. Let me in. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. That's creepy. That's definitely creepy. Alright. I heard something. Go away! Nope, my neighbors. Hey. 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 Do you need extra vegetables for my garden? Any herbs? You want a beer? Bloody Mary? Some Skyline? Okay, let's try this again. Maybe it's because I'm pressing different buttons. Maybe is that? Let's go to 1. Whoa! Go away. Is that crying? Nope. Nope. Honey, do you need to see a shrink? Okay. Some typical mother. Pardon. Why is there? Why? Whoa! Oh! Okay. I don't like this. Don't worry. I'm just getting everything set up. What the hell? Almost done. No. Let's play a game. No! Jigsaw, no! No! Get away from me. Oh! Oh, no. How about you go away? Shoo. Is it because I went to my floor neighbors first for food or to give them food? The exit is locked. Okay. Hi. Hi. Smile and wave, Anna. Okay, so now what do I do then? Okay, so do I look in here? Oh, do I crank it? Nope. Crank it. I swear to God, if there's a clown. I'm gonna get scared. I'm gonna scream. My neighbors are probably gonna do a welfare check up on me. No. Go away. Okay. Woo! Dude! Not cool. That's not funny. What? The child ending. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. I guess I'll just do something around here. Wash my face, brush my teeth. Tacos, pizza, ice cream, hot dishes. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go to the third level. Okay, so it was just a bug. Hey, can you keep it down? We'll be quiet. Well, no. Time to go to sleep, I guess. Okay. This is probably where I take the stairs then, right? Okay. Why is that the only one that's, that can do anything? Go away. I hate these noises. I hate them. Uh-oh. My computer froze. Damn it. Never mind. Okay, so now I'm going to sleep. Okay. I hope I can get some sleep now. Hold to sleep and go. Oh, I still can't sleep. No, I would love to join though. Unless if I'm working the very next day. Unless I'm working the very next day. Then yeah, I guess I would be pissed. Uh-oh. Right now it's... No, now I can't. Damn it. I was doing so well. Okay, so we resetted. Ooh, make my bed. Brush my teeth, wash my face. Eat tacos, leftover pizza, ice cream, and bring my hot dish to annoy my friends. I mean, neighbors. They're neighbors, not friends. Okay, so we do that. And we do this so that I can. And again. It's a bug. Hey, can you keep it down? We'll be quiet. Time to go to sleep, I guess. No, it's for. La 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 la. La la la. Part of me thinks it's also part of the game to where my mouse does that. I hope I can get some sleep now. Hold to sleep and awake. Ugh, I can't sleep. Let's try to, nope. Make my bed. Okay, just in case if it happens again, let's do this. Please be quiet. I gotta, yep, I gotta go. I got work in the morning. Yeah, sure. These things we have work. What a weird thing to say. I'll just go to sleep. I do have to work and go to sleep. Oh no, I can't. Uh-oh. I can't look down. Okay, I gotta restart again. Lord. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Okay, make my bed. Wash my face, brush my teeth, eat tacos, leftover pizza, ice cream, and hot dishes.